Hello, my full name is Yesha Manik and I'm going to be your examiner for today. What is your full name
My full name is Anjali RS.
and what can I call you?
You can call me Anjali.
Okay. Can I see your ID please?
Yes, here it is.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Miss Anjali will begin with part 1 where I will ask some questions about yourself. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let us begin with the topic hometown.
Okay.
The first question is, where is your hometown?
Okay. My hometown is located in Andhra, so it's called as Vishakhapatnam. Okay. So it's a very beautiful place where I live in. So I brought up. I born there and I brought up in Bangalore.
Okay. Do you like your hometown? Why?
Yes, I like my hometown because wherein the place is very beautiful. It's called as the city of destiny. Wherein you can see sightseeings. There are many places to visit. So it is very awesome place where you have beaches and all to visit. Yeah, that's it about my hometown.
Okay. How long have you been living in your hometown?
I've been living since childhood, and after that I came to Bangalore.
Do you believe it is a proper place to grow up? Why?
Yes, it is a beautiful place where to live on, wherein you have a lot of places to see, as well as there are many opportunities in that state. So wherein you can also escape in that nature. It's a very beautiful nature, so you can enjoy your nature as well there. So this is how the state is.
Okay. How could your hometown be improved?
My hometown can be improved through roadways, and roadways is very like roadways is very we cannot travel there. It is fluffy roads and all, so you cannot travel more in that roads. You can only walk there. So I request if we get a chance there, we can improve those roadways and all.
Okay. Will you be moving away from your hometown in the future?
Yes, if I get an opportunity, I would move to other state as well.
Okay, fine. Now that was the end of part 1, Miss Anjali. Let us move on to part 2.
Okay.
I will give you a topic card. You will have 1 minute to prepare for this topic and 1 to 2 minutes to speak.
Okay.
You can make notes if you wish to, right?
All right.
This is your topic card,
Okay.
and here is the pencil. Your preparation time starts now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can stop writing and you can start speaking now.
Okay, even plays an important role with near and dear ones. When it was a pandemic time, right? People used to stay at home and they used to not go here and there outside because they was very worried about where the corona will get affected. So that's the thing. They stayed at home. They was doing their daily work and all. After that, they used to work from home, and they used to have a conversation between in the mobile itself through online. And also when they used to attend the classes, it's completely through online, wherein they cannot go to schools and colleges. So after that they used to have a conversation with the mobile, and after that they decided to plan like a reunion party and all. So once they started partying, they have decided to for the reunion, that time they was gathering themselves in one place. After that they had lot of fun together. They have enjoyed seeing their friends together, and after that they had a lot of fun. Then again they was talking about their life, what must be done, what must be not done. So this is how they enjoyed their reunion party, as well as how to go in career in future. So that and all, they was discussing about their life goals. So this is how they enjoyed. That's it.
Now that is the end of speaking part 2.
Okay.
Let us move on to the next and last part of the speaking test, Miss Anjali. I will ask you some questions related to celebrating events.
Okay.
The first question is, what kinds of events do people usually celebrate?
People usually celebrate their birthdays, anniversaries, wedding, as well as get together. So this is how the people celebrate.
Okay, and why do this happen?
Okay, this happens because they have to, their presence must be there in that event so that they can understand each other better. And after that, they will also be having gossips with their friends, family members. So this is how they enjoy together.
Okay. Do people often celebrate events with a large group of people or just a few people?
People, they celebrate in large as well as in small. When it comes to large, maybe for example, it's for a wedding. They like invite in a large, wherein people get together, they plan, they dress up very well and they come and they attend the marriage functions and all. So they are invited in a large crowd. Yeah. So and after that, when it comes to birthday parties, that will be a like normal event, so that people call their near and dear ones and they enjoy their party.
Okay. Do people often celebrate festivals with families?
Yes, they do celebrate festival with their family members, relatives and friends will gather into their home, have fun and have gossips together, and they enjoy their festival as well.
Okay. This is the end of your speaking test, Miss Anjali. You will get your results according to the process. Thank you so much for your attendance and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Now, let me give the evaluation of the speaking test. The first parameter is pronunciation. A few words were pronounced wrongly. The candidate loses a grade band score because of this, and she stands at band 6 for pronunciation. The second parameter is fluency and coherence. The candidate showed fluency but with repetition of ideas. This has to be avoided in any speaking test. Here, the fluency and coherence is marked as band 6. The third is grammatical range and accuracy. The candidate used the verb used to, which is used in past tense and also for discontinued events. This is not allowed. Here, this is considered to be a major grammatical error, and that is why the grammatical range and accuracy stands at band 6. Finally, the lexical resource. The candidate used a good range of vocabulary, for example, phrases, adjectives, collocations like birthday parties, cultural events, near and dear ones, and because of this, the candidate gets a band 7 in the lexical resource parameter. Now let's take a recap. Pronunciation 6. Fluency and coherence is also 6. Grammatical range and accuracy also stands at 6. Vocabulary at 7. This says the overall band score for this speaking test is band 6. If you want your speaking test to be evaluated from our expert trainers, then please join one-on-one sessions at IELTSmaterial.com.